Welcome to the Road Rival, where horsepower meets heartbeats. Today, we're diving into Lamborghini's boldest step into the future, the Lamborghini Revuelto. It's not just a supercar, it's a revolution in motion. A new era begins. The Lamborghini Revuelto marks the brand's first high-performance electrified vehicle, HPV, blending the raw power of a naturally aspirated V12 engine with the precision of 3 electric motors. It's the ultimate fusion of tradition and innovation, setting the tone for Lamborghini's electrified future. Unmatched performance. Under the hood, the Revuelto roars with a 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 814 horsepower, complemented by 3 electric motors for a combined output of 1,001 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 350 km per hour. This is power without compromise. Design that dominates. Inspired by aerospace aesthetics, the Revuelto's design is aggressive and aerodynamic. With sharp lines, Y-shaped LED signatures, and a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, every angle screams speed and sophistication. It's not just designed to turn heads, it's engineered to cut through air. Inside the beast. Step inside, and you're greeted with a digital, driver-focused cockpit featuring a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central display, and a passenger-side screen. The cabin balances futuristic technology with Lamborghini's signature fighter jet vibe. The future of Lamborghini. The Revuelto is more than a car, it's Lamborghini's vision of tomorrow. With plug-in hybrid capability and an all-new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it redefines what it means to be a supercar in a world demanding sustainability and speed.